Hello, and welcome to this HelloID Service Automation product release video for June 2023. HelloID Service Automation is a user management self-service solution designed to delegate user management into the organization. For example, delegate group management, delegate distribution group management, delegate share management. It will help ICT departments to prevent accumulation of licenses and access rights. Please note that in this video, we will only show the new functionality for the June 2023 release. Please go to docs.helloid.com or our YouTube channel for more videos. Let's get started. In this video, we'd like to start with a PowerPoint presentation and then demo the new functionalities for the June 2023 release. We have two new features in this release. The first new feature is Add Autocomplete support for delegated form script variables. With this new feature, HelloID will help you build your PowerShell scripts for delegated forms by providing autocomplete functionalities for variables. Supported variables are $form and $requester. Our second and final new feature for this release is extra audit messages to Elastic reporting for self-service product administration. This means that the creation, updates, and even deletes of self-service products are logged into Elastic reporting. The same functionality is added for product categories and product actions. With this data available in Elastic, you can look up the audit information, build your own reports, or use one of the available standard reports. Let's demonstrate these new features. We have created a new delegated form called Release Demo 2023.06. To demonstrate our new autocomplete functionality, we have added some fields to this form. We have added the default text input, the default dropdown, and we have also added a grid which contains a native group data source configured. For demonstrative purposes, we will switch to the editing mode and enter Marcel as the name in the text input. Select option 2 in the dropdown. We will select application number 4 in the grid. Click on Next, and the Request button to get the form results on the left side. We will copy these results for later use. Let's navigate to the Task tab. In this window, you can configure your custom PowerShell script, for example, to create a new Active Directory account. With this new feature, when you start typing the $, you will see a list of the available autocomplete variables. We have support for $form and $requester. The form refers to the form element in the dynamic form. In our case, we have a dropdown, a grid, and a text input, and these names reflect the keyword configured for each form field. So if you go back to the form, and change the form key of the text input to username, and click on Update Field, switch back to the task, and now we have the username property available instead of the text input. So this immediately gets updated when changes are made. The second available variable is $requester, and this refers to the logged-in user who is submitting the delegated form. Because we are now configuring the form instead of submitting, the requesting user has the values of the current logged-in user, which is our local administrator in our case. All the properties on the user object are available in the autocomplete functionality. In this screen, we have configured a simple PowerShell script that will write some log messages for the form fields and the requester. Remember that we copied our form results earlier. We can paste them here in the input. We have updated our text input to username. So here we have also changed it to username with the autocomplete. Now we can execute this PowerShell script to see the received logs. Here you can see that the username is Marcel. The dropdown has option number 2. The grid has application number 4 selected, and the requester full name is, in our case, Tools Forever Administrator, our current logged-in user. Thank you so much for watching. Please let us know if you have any additional questions. You can post your question in YouTube or send it to isupport@toolsforever.com. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel to receive frequent updates about improvements and changes in HelloID. Have a wonderful day.